everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style and we're at the Loon Bay Resort. We're going to be here until Sunday morning and we're inside of our Winnebago Class A Intent 26 foot. So here's a little inside of what it looks like. That's the front, driver's side. That's the lake. This is our view. Pretty cool. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so that's the lake. There's quite a few people here. It's in the Caribou in BC. And here's our little dining room setup. There's the cabinets up above. It has quite a bit of storage. There's Ted.
Hi.
How's the Loon Bay Resort working out?
It's great.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
That's our little setup there. And we go around, and here's the door. Fire extinguisher is always helpful. All right, there's the cabinets, microwave, and that's the little kitchen area. And there's the stove, and it has an oven and a little backsplash. There's one of the TVs there. Has a little pantry, full-size refrigerator, and the freezer's on top. A little bit of storage on the bottom. And there's the washroom there. There's all the stuff, all the panel stuff. There's the microwave and the little storage. And we had some chicken noodle soup for lunch today. It was pretty good. This is our shower, and inside here is the bedroom. So there's the bed and the storage, and then there's some pull-outs. The pull-out is in the bedroom and in the little dining room area. There's a couple of windows. That one you can jump out of if you need to. There's the mirror, there's the wardrobe. All below there is storage. Here's some more storage here. There's a window, and then there's a full-size TV. And then here is pretty cool. It has outlets and USB on both sides. And it's kind of like a little end table, basically. And then there's the shower. It's pretty good size. Okay. It's pretty good size, yep. It just closes like that. Then here's the washroom. And it's got a couple overhead storage there. The mirror. Hi everybody, Susan from Senior Style. Okay. And the floor is pretty cool. It's kind of, feels kind of like rubbery. So it's going to be fairly easy to clean, which is nice. And then there's some hookups there for cable or whatever else you may need. All right, so I hope this was helpful if you are looking for Winnebago Class A 26 Intent. And there's the up area there. That's another area where you can either store stuff or you can sleep up there. Or if you have grandkids, they can sleep up there. It comes with a ladder. All right, so that gives you kind of like a little view of our RV, our Winnebago. All right, I hope everybody's having a great week. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.